Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are having a green Monday. So this week in February started really amazing for Bitcoin and altcoins. So the market looks pretty good. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for your education and for entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research and invest. Even if you are investing for long term, then invest with dollar cost averaging. And if you are trading, definitely use stop loss and take profits. And always do your own research and make your decision based on your research, and also take responsibility for your decisions. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and after smashing those like, let's share my screen and let's go and check what's happening out there, what we see with our loved altcoins. Okay, I just try to pull up this chart and let's go from here. Okay, so what's going on? Why I cannot make this bigger? Okay. Yes, so this is how we are going with this. So it's not so easy to use this new streaming platform, but yeah, for now then looks fine. So guys, let's go, and this is what I'm talking about. So shiba up 26, loopring 16, matic 22%, SCRT almost 18, XRP 18, CRO 10, Phantom 12, Holochain 18, Cardano 28, Quant 20, Algorand 7, and around 13. Cool guys, so this is amazing. Bitcoin is up 6.4%, traded around 44,300, and Ethereum is about 3,100. So all across the markets we see green, and so this is a nice pump. Hope we will consolidate for here and not just falling back. Let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto. So let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. And padam. Yes, so the index is at 25, guys, 25. So not 25, 45, sorry for that, 45. And yesterday it was 37, and today 45, and from 46 it is it's going to the neutral zone. So now we are in the still but very close to the neutral zone. And guys, if we are looking back after a few months of consolidating at the bottom, even going as low as 10 and 11, the index started to increase. So the social media sentiment and investor sentiment is getting better, and fear it's going away and greed coming. And as we are looking back, just what's happened last year in summertime, the index went low as 10 4 or 5 times, and after dipping then started to increase, and also price started to increase. And when extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that is always a good buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that it's due for a correction and for taking time to taking some profits. And also there is a saying from Warren Buffett that be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So our first news is Bitcoin price returns to 43,000 US dollar. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Okay, Bitcoin dodges a major breakdown. Okay, some analysts saying this. Pantoshi, here's how I see things. As long as BTC holds 39,000, the previous stated, then early open up next. In my opinion, 80% of all odds will lag, 20% will lead, follow. So that is what we can expect. If Bitcoin will make its run, that we can expect that altcoins will drop and drop further, and maybe 80% of odds will lagging, as Pentoshi predicts. Let's get this from Credible Crypto. My thoughts on BTC dominance at this time. Long story short, BTC outperforms during initial stages of our fifth wave impulse. Odds still the show after that. BTC tops dominance makes a new all-time low before this is happening. Let's make this bigger, and this is how it is. So this is the Bitcoin price and this is the dominance. Quite interesting that during this November all-time high there was not a huge spike in the dominance. So sometimes it's maybe a controversial, but for sure we can expect that the dominance will go up from here, and as we experiencing a Bitcoin pump, and then odds will be the next. So guys, let's go and check what we do have here. Yes, on Wales map, closest on-chain supports in case BTC retraces 38,500 and 38,100. So these are the Wales closest on-chain supports. Inflation stays real before January CPI readout. Inflation is going to kick the Feds. Inflation is real, according to veteran Peter Brandt. This due to the flood of liquidity added in the past 2 years. US dollar bonds. The Fed is way behind the curve in raising rates. The 10-year note is headed to 2.35% in the near term and 3% over the next couple of years. Okay, oil looks it's going to barrel over 100 US dollar at this rate. 20% increase in the first week of the year, 30% in January. If you loved inflation before, you will love it when oil is over 100%. Consumer goods numbers go up. Yes, so don't love the expensive oil. Bitcoin's one-day correlation to the Nasdaq is starting to fall from historical high levels. Okay, so this is the correlation with Nasdaq and started to fall. So sometimes correlated, sometimes not. Will the dollar keep diving? The US dollar DIX index, very interesting moves in USD, maybe a trap. One thing is for sure, price action is always way ahead of what we think macro events should be driving prices. So price movements are always happening first, and the question is if the DIX will going lower or retracing here. Not going to lie, but the DIX is starting to look like it wants to correct heavier, according to Michael van den Poppe. Okay, short term would be a good signal for Bitcoin and the risk on assets if the DIX is showing more weakness. Short term hodlers start return to profit. Likely the macro bottom is in, according to Root, and this is the Bitcoin short term hodlers. SOPR, so short-term hodlers in profit, and we see the Bitcoin price is the black, and this blue is the short-term hodlers in profit, and it's going up. Okay, Bitcoin is a bit top heavy here, but number go up is medicine for that. Twitter account commented that, so we are here. This is the UTX, so realized price distribution. So the most of the coins were distributed at 30,000, and also 25% of this distribution happened about 44,000. So now we are almost in the middle. Okay, and the crypto fear and greed index, what we already talked about. But it is interesting to note that extended periods of extreme fear, sub 25 for 3+ weeks doesn't tend to signal major lows. Okay, so 3 weeks extreme fear signaling major lows, and dipping, that the market is dipping right there. So this is a quite important chart if you ask me. So definitely read this article and watch this chart in the article. So Bitcoin bottom is in. Veteran trader Peter Brandt examines BTC after strong rally above 40,000 US dollar. Just as the laser eyes marked the April top and widespread talk of 100,000 marked the November top, so bulls throwing in the towel and predicting 20,000 US dollar marked the January bottom. So this is the running channel, wedges, running channel, head and shoulders, sofa, ottoman, laser eyes eras, the two laser eyes eras at the top and the bottoming out. Okay, it didn't put in a conventional chart bottom construction by signal SVRKs in November 2015, April 2019, October 2020, or even July 2021. So time will tell if we get a chart setup recognizable in classical charting terms. A completed recognizable pattern greatly increases odds at bottom is in. Odds of bottom increases, but a channel is diagonal pattern not ideal, as BTC has history of clear horizontal bottoms patterns and a clear bottom has not yet formed. Okay, so looks good. Maybe the bottom is in. Peter Brandt is a veteran trader. I think he is 70+ years old. So he has seen lots of things in his lifetime. Bitcoin breaches 50-day moving average in a major trend reversal. Lightning Network capacity at all-time high. Bitcoin now bumping into resistance at the 50 days moving average and the big zone of resistance at 42,500. If we close about these levels, then we could see some serious fireworks. Bitcoin has been in a downtrend since November. We have now broken out of the trend. Next up, yes. So that also if we are observing the RSI, breaking RSI, so breaking RSI, signaling price movement after the breaking, and that happened almost the same now, and price started to go up and RSI going up. So this looks pretty good. We'll see if we will go to new all-time high. Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity all-time high. That is Lightning Network locks 3,400 BTC equivalent to a staggering 141 million. This is 3 times the capacity of a year ago. Lightning Network bringing 0 fees Bitcoin payments to the application and really fast. So that is why Lightning Network is getting more and more popular. Next piece of news is protesters migrate to crypto fundraising platform following GoFundMe ban. So there is a Freedom Convoy campaign after some protesters became violent. So organizers turned to Bitcoin fundraising platform Talicon instead. Truckers protesting the COVID-19 vaccine mandate in Canada have turned to Bitcoin-based crowdfunding platform Talicon following a barrage of mounting political pressure from all sides that culminated in GoFundMe axing their Freedom Convoy campaign. So guys, this is how things are going. So why should everybody just get worse conditions because not vaccinated? And Bitcoin fixes this, not just fixes all other inflation, money printing stuff, but also fixes this, that unvaccinated can protest and can just collect some funds. Legacy financial infrastructure can sometimes be politicized and clamped down upon, whereas Bitcoin is a truly censorship-resistant method of communicating value, stated the new fundraising page. Okay, so this is something, if you are from Canada or from the US, definitely look into and support them if you feel so. Next piece of news is Venezuelans reportedly hit by new Bitcoin tax of up to 20%. So we know that in Venezuela, inflation is really high, the local economy is really weak, and they are using Bitcoin to store the value of their holding. And then now the government wants individuals to pay up 20% for operations carried out in cryptocurrencies as well as foreign currencies such as United States dollars. So Venezuelans will be taxed if they are using crypto and if they are using stablecoins. The law aims to collect 2 to 20% from transactions in any currencies other than those issued by the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela or the Venezuelan Bolivar and the country's oil-backed cryptocurrency Il Petro or El Petro. Yeah, okay, so if you're living in Venezuela, just yeah. Bloomberg predicts $100,000 as Bitcoin next stop, but when? So the big question is when, not if, but when. Bitcoin's next key price level is 100,000, Bloomberg analyst says. Bitcoin is more likely forming a floor than a ceiling, which means range traders accustomed to 30 to 60,000 may be disappointed. Since the start of 2021, the more tactical oriented had opportunities near the lower end twice and to sell for double around the upper end, the analyst note. When will Bloomberg's 100% Bitcoin price prediction happen? These includes growing demand and limited supply. They also point out increasing regulatory clarity that will take place in 2022, nothing that, unlike China, the US was not going to ban cryptocurrencies. Okay, so maybe in 2022, but we don't get a clear answer for that question. Let's go and check our next news. Belarus gives green signal to investment funds for investing in crypto. So Belarus is a small post-Soviet Union country here in Eastern Europe, and Belarus hinted at being a crypto-friendly nation by allowing crypto businesses to operate in the country under the decree on the development of the digital economy, and now they are allowing crypto investment funds to invest in crypto. Next piece of news is unique Cardano ADA wallets surge to record high above 3 million. The total number of ADA wallets rose to a new high just 2 weeks after Cardano welcomed its first decentralized application. So Cardano community reached 3 million wallet addresses, and which is this application, because SundaeSwap was not a good start, but maybe Alonso upgrade in September. Yes, Cardano, SundaeSwap, yes, but SundaeSwap was not a success story as still until now. Scaling Cardano's research and development company, yada yada, additional million increasing almost, Bluetooth script memory entry per transaction. Yes. So, good news if you are holding ADA. What I don't see ADA as functional blockchain just yet. Next piece of news is Gamestop-Immutable to launch 100 million joint fund for gaming NFTs. Layer 2 scaling platform ImmutableX will also be used to power the company's forthcoming non-fungible token marketplace, co-founder Robbie Ferguson told Blockworks. So GameStop, the gaming company, and ImmutableX are partnering, and they will issue and they will invest in NFT gaming NFTs. Cool. That's huge news, so definitely check it out. Next piece of news is Yes, so that was a news a few days ago, just I left it open. Global crypto owners predicted to surpass 1 billion this year. So this is definitely huge news. So guys, let's go to Twitter and definitely follow me at MIKLOSDenkler and also follow at Corion platform and scroll down. Here is from Peter Brandt that just as the layer ice marked at the April top and widespread talk of 100,000 marked the November top, so bulls throwing in the towel and predicting 20,000 market marked the January bottom. Yes, not just countries but states will make Bitcoin legal tender. So this tweet from Mike Alfred that he says that at least one state in the United States will make Bitcoin legal tender, and there are a few competitors like Texas, Arizona, California and Michigan, but also I would maybe add New York as well. Will be interesting how altcoins will follow if Bitcoin starts its run. Yes, so this is the Bitcoin price and must hold this level. Yes, and that was the yearly open also. That will be a big resistance. Yeah, so we have confluences here and the yearly open. So the yearly open definitely important level to watch. In my opinion, 80% of alts will lag, 20% will lead follow. Okay, let's get this from Caribou Crypto. In my thesis is correct. If my thesis is correct and BTC is indeed starting its final fifth wave, here expect BTC to steal the show, pump aggressively, alts to take an initial hit, but then really catch up, just like we saw during the last two impulses, 3 to 14,000 and 12 to 65,000 US dollars. Okay, next tweet is the Bitcoin macro bottom is in. Let me know if the comment. So guys, this chart is from the real the rational root, and you see this is the Bitcoin price and this is the Bitcoin supply held by short-term hodlers. So short-term hodlers holding as low as Bitcoin just they used to hold when the market dipped out, because they are the paper hands who are selling Bitcoins when it's dipping. And we see some similarity with the bear market lows, huge drops lows, and short-term hodlers lows. According to Willy Woo, price is relation to on-chain demand from both speculative and hodl category of investors are now both at peak oversold levels. The last time this happened was October 2020. The time before that was at the bottom of the COVID crash. Breaking RSI trend lines always indicates trend reversal and price movement. Shortly history of RSI trend line breakouts. You see that we broke when at the end of July last year when the pump started, and also broke now. So we'll see what's next. So guys, let's join our Telegram channel. You find the link in the description. You will find some useful information and also our educational content, and CorionX developments will be announced also here. We are working on a juicy NFT stuff, but I cannot spoil more information, so just be aware that something big is brewing. So guys, let's go and check some charts. Let's refresh this and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Yes, so this is the daily chart. We see after this huge drop, now the double Huel the double Huel AMA cross 50 turned to bullish again, and we see that we are just above this trend line, and the next big trend line will be the yearly opening at 47,000, but before that 46,000. And as I already showed you, that Bitcoin broke this downward trending trend line, and also there was this resistance block at 39,000. So Bitcoin broke it nicely, and this is the third green candle in the past 4 days, and now reaching this resistance as 44,000. Bitcoin is now about these levels. We'll see if can close the daily candle about this level, and the next zones to watch 36 and 46 and 47,000 US dollar region. Let's check the Bitcoin shorts. So Bitcoin shorts on a daily increased a little bit. Yes, so short traders are coming back. So maybe they will push the price down from 46,000 resistance zone. And what about the altcoin dominance? Is sidewaving, but if Bitcoin will start its run, then altcoins can lagging and the index will go up from here. Let's go and check our next news, and not next news, but next coin, Ethereum. So now Ethereum also broke this downward trending trend line. Ethereum is breaking actually Ethereum is breaking this horizontal trend lines, and also now getting closer to these levels. I think the next levels is 3,380, and then I expect the next 3,000 at 3,600. So now holding strongly. What we need from Ethereum, just closing about 3,000 US dollar and holding there for few days and consolidating a little bit before going forward. So guys, you see we have some nice pump continuing, like Gala broke out yesterday and or the day before yesterday and doing really great. The next levels to watch is 1.5 US dollars. Also Cardano did a nice rally, but Cardano dropped to our initial levels when we started to follow Cardano. So Matic did really well today. So Matic also broke out and going back about our previous trend line. So that looks pretty good. So guys, let me know in the comment section, write in the comment section which is your favorite altcoins after CorionX, and then we will take a look on those altcoins. XRP also broke the trend and looks pretty good, but we don't have still any clear information what's happening with the SEC lawsuit. So guys, smash those like, push the bell, notification on, and also visit our farms. Let's go back and check farms at farm.corion.io. If you are holding ASC20 version of CorionX, definitely provide liquidity on Uniswap and lock up your LP tokens to earn a nice 330% APR. If you are holding BET20 version of CorionX, then provide liquidity on PancakeSwap and earn up to 115% APR. So guys, smash those likes, push the bell, notification on, and see you tomorrow. Enjoy your week. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.